how to use the on-screen recent and back key with the assistant menu on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on accessibility, then tap on interaction and dexterity. After that, tap on assistant menu. Make sure the assistant menu is turned on. So if it is turned off, just tap on the toggle button to switch it on. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then tap on the assistant menu icon. And from here, you can tap on recent to open up your recent screen. You can tap on the back key to go back to your previous screen. So if I go into my menu here, I can tap on back and that will go back to the previous page in my settings screen. And that's it. So in here I can go to recent or I can tap on home. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.